Let's learn sea animal names. Here come the sharks. Mako shark, the fastest shark in the sea. Great white shark. Oh, look at that smile. Lemon shark. The lemon shark is yellow. Tiger shark, the only shark with stripes. Hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is yellow. Whale shark. The whale shark is blue with white spots. Gray shark. The gray shark is gray. Tiger shark. This tiger shark is green. Nurse shark. The nurse shark is yellow. Here come the whales. Humpback whale. The humpback whale is brown. Blue whale, the largest whale in the sea. Fin whale, the second largest whale in the sea. Sperm whale, the sperm whale is black. Right whale, the right whale is black. Beluga whale. The beluga whale is white. Here come the dolphins. Orca. The orca whale is black and white. Dolphin. The dolphin is gray. Humpback dolphin. The humpback dolphin is white. Blue dolphin. The blue dolphin is blue. Oh, it's the baby dolphin. And watch out, it's mega dolphin. Here come the octopuses. Octopus. The octopus is orange. Uh-oh, here comes the giant octopus. It's the spotted ray. The spotted ray is yellow. And the blue squid. Here come the turtles. It's the green sea turtle. And the loggerhead sea turtle. Wow, he's beautiful. Look at his shell. Here come the seals. It's the spotted seal. The spotted seal is green. And the harbor seal. It's the fur seal. And the walrus. Look at those tusks. Here come our shelled friends. It's the lobster. The lobster is orange. And the crab. The crab is brown. And the reef dwellers. The starfish. The starfish is orange. And our favorite, the seahorse. The seahorse is yellow. Animals are amazing. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.